Resolve uneven eyebrow skincare. Uneven eyebrows can be caused by various factors such as genetics, over-plucking, hormonal imbalances, or certain medical conditions. While skincare alone may not completely resolve the issue, there are some steps you can take to improve the appearance of your eyebrows. Here are some suggestions. Allow your eyebrows to grow. If over-plucking or excessive grooming has caused unevenness, it's important to let your eyebrows grow out. Avoid tweezing or waxing them for a few weeks to allow the hair to fill in. Consider professional shaping. Visit a professional esthetician or eyebrow specialist who can shape your eyebrows according to your natural brow structure. They will be able to create a more balanced and symmetrical shape. Use eyebrow makeup. Fill in your eyebrows with eyebrow pencils, powders, or gels to create a more even appearance. Choose a shade that matches your natural brow color and use light, feathery strokes to mimic the look of hair. Consider microblading or eyebrow tattooing. If you're looking for a more semi-permanent solution, you could consider microblading or eyebrow tattooing. These techniques involve depositing pigment into the skin to create the appearance of fuller, more even eyebrows. Make sure to research and choose a reputable professional for these procedures. Maintain a healthy skincare routine. While skincare alone may not directly resolve uneven eyebrows, maintaining a healthy skincare routine can help ensure the overall health of your skin. This includes cleansing, moisturizing, and protecting your skin from the sun. Healthy skin can provide a better foundation for eyebrow hair growth. Remember, everyone's eyebrows have some degree of asymmetry, so it's essential to focus on enhancing their appearance rather than achieving perfect symmetry.